Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 4th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Enterprise Products Partners. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Enterprise Products Partners has just released their fourth quarter and full year 2024 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from record net income to strategic investments in the Permian Basin.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Enterprise Products Partners reported a revenue of $14.2 billion for the fourth quarter of 2024. John, how does this compare to their performance last year?
While the revenue saw a slight decrease from $14.6 billion in the same quarter last year, the company managed to increase its net income to $1.6 billion, up from $1.6 billion in Q4 2023. This was achieved through operational efficiencies and strategic investments, leading to an adjusted EPS of 74 cents, which beats the forecasted 69 cents.
That's impressive. What about their operating income?
Operating income also saw an increase, reaching $1.97 billion compared to $1.92 billion in the previous year. This indicates strong operational performance despite the slight dip in revenue.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, Enterprise has reported record volumes in several areas. Can you elaborate on these operational highlights?
Absolutely. Enterprise achieved record natural gas processing inlet volumes of 7.6 billion cubic feet per day, a 7% increase from the previous year. Their NGL pipeline volumes also hit a record 4.8 million barrels per day, up 12% from Q4 2023. This growth is largely driven by their investments in the Permian Basin infrastructure.
And what does the future hold for Enterprise?
Looking ahead, Enterprise has approximately $7.6 billion in major growth projects under construction, with $6 billion expected to be completed in 2025. These projects are set to enhance their natural gas and NGL businesses, providing a strong outlook for continued growth in cash flow and distributions.
Strategic investments and financial health. Enterprise has made significant capital investments in 2024. Can you tell us more about these strategic moves?
Enterprise invested $5.5 billion in 2024, which includes $3.9 billion for growth capital projects and $949 million for the acquisition of Pinon Midstream. These investments are crucial for expanding their capacity and enhancing their service offerings.
How does their financial health look with these investments?
Despite the heavy investments, Enterprise maintains a solid financial position with $32.2 billion in debt and $4.8 billion in liquidity. This liquidity provides them with the flexibility to continue their growth initiatives while managing their debt effectively.
CEO insights and strategic vision. John, what insights did the CEO, Jim Teague, provide regarding their performance and future strategy?
Jim Teague highlighted that their record financial performance was driven by volume growth across their midstream system, particularly in natural gas and NGLs. He emphasized the opportunities in the Permian Basin and the support from long-term contracts, which provide visibility for continued net income and cash flow growth.
And how does this translate into their strategic vision?
Teague mentioned that the growth in cash flow will support future distribution increases and returns of capital, aligning with their long-term strategy to enhance shareholder value through strategic investments and operational excellence.
Key takeaways. In summary, Enterprise Products Partners has delivered a strong performance in Q4 2024, with record net income and a solid outlook for future growth. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Enterprise's strategic investments and operational efficiencies position them well for continued growth. Their strong cash flow and distribution coverage make them an attractive option for investors seeking stability and growth in the energy sector.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Enterprise's performance in the comments below.